this video, we're going to be looking at the mitosis process. The mitosis process helps in understanding cell division. In the entirety of this video, we're going to be looking at how the DNA gets split rather than the organelles. So, in the beginning is the interphase. The interphase is where all of the organelles, including the DNA, gets duplicated. Now, I think you should understand about the DNA is it's made up of 23 pairs of chromosomes, or 46 chromatids. Now, when duplicated, instead of being 23 pairs of chromosomes, they're now 46 pairs of chromosomes, and instead of being 46 pairs of chromatids, they're now 92 pairs of chromatids. And this is all happening inside of the interphase. This is where everything duplicates and grows. So there'll be duplicate amounts of Golgi, duplicate amounts of the organelles as well as the DNA. Next, we move on to the prophase. So in the prophase, what happens is the organelles, they all stay the same, but in the nucleus membrane, it breaks off, meaning that now there's a humongous pile of DNA just rolling around in the cytoplasm of the cell. Meanwhile, what's happening is that there is a spindling happen, which is known as mitosis spindling. So this mitosis spindling is occurring within the microtubules, or these brown parts over here, and the centrioles, which are these green parts over here. The centrioles basically spindle around each other with the microtubules until they reach the poles of the cell, and the microtubules spread across. Here we enter into the metaphase. By this time, all of the chromatids, which have been split now, all line around the equator of the cell, like this, in a straight line. Then in the anaphase, what happens is that each of the microtubules pulls one chromosome towards its direction. So instead of having 92 chromatids in the equator, we now have 46 chromatids on one side and 46 chromatids on the other, or 23 pairs on one side and 23 pairs on the other. Then they start pairing up, and the organelles and each of the organelles, like the duplicate organelles, go to one side and the original organelles go to the other side. Soon a pinching between the cell happens, and it pinches so much that it splits. So we have two duplicate cells, one being the parent cell and one being the daughter cell. So this is the telophase, where the pinching starts, and this is the cytokinesis phase. This is where we have two cells at the end. A way you can remember this is, I peed myself at Target checkout. Don't ask me who created this, okay? I know, I'm raging at it too. Oh, someone here decided to do it. So don't ask. I stands for interphase, P stands for prophase, M stands for metaphase, the A stands for anaphase, the T stands for telophase, and the C stands for cytokinesis. This is all about the mitosis process and how the cell division works.